What is up, YouTube? This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. If you guys are not a subscriber already, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below and give me a big thumbs up on this video. I'm out here in South Carolina dropping a brand new brand, RTJ Audio. This is a killer pro level system, guys, and I got one of my preferred installers who can fly out anywhere in the country and help get these things dialed in to where you are getting the absolute ultimate experience. We're gonna get into the calibration right after the intro. Let's go!
Hi, I'm Michael with High Impact AV, and I do audio and video calibration and home theater setup. And today we're just going to do this demo system with a quick DRAC live calibration. We're going to do 5 different measurement locations for this, and then we're going to do the DRAC bass control as well, because we have 6 different subwoofers in here. So we're going to go ahead and get started.
All right, we're going to go ahead and run this DRAC live. Let's go, guys. So Chris, what do you think so far?
Yo, I really want some of these. Horde. Yeah.
Yeah, these things are pretty incredible. We're hooking up another demo right now. It's gonna slap you in the face. Slap it in the face, man.
Slap it in the face up here. You slap it down here? No, I slap it up here.
It's going down, guys. Hang in there.
To learn how to adapt to your surroundings. It's just kind of hard to adapt when you feel like you're on the moon.
Dude, I wouldn't want to be caught up in that. All right, guys, that is a wrap on our calibration. You guys know that we are on a journey to deliver the ultimate home theater experience to everybody in America. And DRAC Live is known as one of the best calibration softwares, and we got the industry-leading pros on our team that would be happy to help you with making sure that your home theater is optimized and going to perform at the absolute top level. So if you guys would like to purchase anything home theater related, make sure to reach out and share your support. We would love the opportunity to earn your business. And make sure to subscribe to the channel down below, because we're gonna be playing demos on these killer speakers, guys. Really happy to be here in South Carolina. Till next time, this is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thank you for watching. On to the next one.